Good morning, everybody. Welcome to your Watanabe show. My name is Princia Krasta. I hope you all had a lovely weekend. So today we have Priyanka and Kora along with us. So first we will do the trading and then we will go through the news. Over to you, Priyanka.
Thank you, Princia. Yes, Kora, markets have opened.
Okay, cover one put, which is 17.4.
Okay, it's at 8,000 loss. Oh,
Yeah, cover that.
I think too many orders. Yeah, got it. Completed.
And where is Nifty?
It's at 17,191.
Short 17,200 C. Weekly.
It's at 145.
Yeah, sell that.
17,200 C. Done, Kora. Completed.
Check the funds.
The funds are not showing, Kora. I think there's
Okay, go to the dashboard.
It's the 36,800.
Okay, go to dashboard.
Yes.
Cover one put, which is in profit.
Okay.
17,000. 17,000 you cover.
Done, Kora.
Now check the funds.
We have 24,870.
They reduced because that put is taken off. Now what you do is the ETF.
Okay.
The 100 would be down big.
Yeah, 100.
Nasdaq ETF.
Yes, Kora. It is down 1.3%.
No, just open the quotes. Because it's nice.
Oh, yeah, Kora. It is down 3.67%.
Yeah, buy that.
How many quantity?
Sorry, what's the price?
It's at 97.81.
Buy 3,000 worth. So 30 you buy.
Yeah. I'll place a limit order at...
in between you can press.
Yeah. Done, Kora.
It's a big hit. Now check the funds.
We have 21,000 left.
Put the limit order for that 17.1 call, 17.2 call.
Yes, Kora. At?
Where is it now?
It's at 136.
Maybe put at 90.
Okay.
Or 95.
95. Done. I placed an order for that.
So we have two short puts and one short call in a ratio format, right?
Yes.
All right. I think if market stabilizes here, we won't have any funds problem. Even if we have a funds problem, we can sort it out in the evening show.
All right. Over to you, Princia.
The bet misfired the Jackson Hole very badly.
Yes, go
And we were over leveraged by 2 calls. We should have had only 1 call. And that's where the damage is coming. US markets have stabilized a bit. I don't think we'll go positive, but we might recover.
Okay.
Yeah,
Yes. Let me share the screen.
Yes.
Okay. So let me start with global cues first. So US future indicates continued losses for market. Dow future slips over 300 points. US market ends with sharp cuts on Friday. Frontline indices were down by around 3 to 4%. Dow sheds around 1,000 points, and S&P erases all August gains. It slips around 3.4%. SGX Nifty was nearly 400 points lower, and obviously it did indicate a red start in the market, gap down start in the Indian market. And further moving ahead, Kura, would you like to add?
Yeah, so
anything?
it was a surprise odd-pill commentary from Powell in Jackson Symposium, Jackson Hole. And yeah, he was very hawkish. But he does have a time and a couple of more data points. So before September Fed meeting, yeah, I would think 75 bips is given now, the rate hike. Earlier, people were looking at 50 bips as well. Another positive news that is coming is the Europe, the gas shortage is taken care of. They have about 80% of the inventory piled up. So the US gas price, Europe gas prices, if they settle down, that would be a good news for global markets, or at least for European electricity bills.
Okay. And related to the Reliance AGM, you would want to?
Yeah, so I have to churn out the numbers. I will see if I can post them in the evening. What happens after AGM? That's the only saving hope for Indian markets. If it's, I think it's during the market hours at 2 o'clock or whatever. So if they come up with some positive news, Reliance being a 12% weight in Nifty might pull up the Nifty. Yeah.
Let's hope for some positive news from Reliance.
Yes.
Okay, moving ahead, if we check the Indian ADRs, we can see that all the Indian ADRs are down, highest by Infosys, that is around 2.82%. Stocks to watch we do have in news is Ultratech, Wrights, SRF. The company has commissioned second BOPP film line and metallizer at Indore for an aggregate cost of around 446 crores. Further, these are the rest of the stocks that you can watch.
Actually, that indicates a lot of capex coming from Indian companies in the next couple of years. The new commission of plants and all this stuff, which is actually good for banking sector, because they do have to take a debt. I don't know about SRF balance sheet, but all this new commission of plants, generally they will be gone by debt. So it's good news for banking loan growth. Yeah. Hello.
Yes, yes, Kura. We will just listening to you.
Okay. Okay. Moving further, Syngin International, the company is up to buy around 26% stake in O2 Renewable Energy, and Manappuram is considering to raise funds via debt in September. In pledge shares, we do have Ashasai India Glass in news and Coffee Day Enterprises. Insider trades, we have LG Balakrishna and Bros, and these are the rest of the stocks that you can watch on the screen. In bulk deals, we have Astra Microwave Products, in which so there is a dealing like GB Securities. They sold around 4.36 lakh shares, which is roughly around 15.50 lakhs. Moving ahead, and if we check in the AGMs today, we have already discussed about Reliance. We do have Gujarat Gas, Grasim Industries, Britannia, NMDC, and so on. In trading tweaks, these companies are going ex-dividend today. that is Ion Exchange India. Moving further, if we check in the money market update, we can see that the rupee ended around 79.87 against the US dollar. And
It's reached 80
in
now.
FNOQs, we can see that. Sorry, Kura, you said something.
Sorry, the dollar breached 80 right now.
Should I continue?
Yes.
Okay. So in FNOQs, we can see that FIIs, they have sold in the cash market of around 51 crores, and DIs, they have bought around 454 crores. FIIs and derivatives, they have gone long both in index futures and options. And overall, there's a notional addition of around 5,139 crores. That's it for the news, guys.
FIs are also getting killed like us. Let's hope for a recovery and see where the market is at 3 o'clock.
Kora, do you want to set up positions again once before we leave?
Just check. There won't be any improvement. 35,000 down, right?
Yes, Kora, you're right.
Okay, it's improvement, right? 37 to 34.
Yes.
Let's see where we close.
Yeah.
All right. Have a nice day, and I will see you in the evening.
Yes.
Have a nice day, everyone. Thank you.
You too, Princia. Have a nice day.